Hello, everyone. Right. So the last couple of weeks, markets have been really volatile, and it basically boils down to whether people are willing to accept risk or whether they are scared and they're running to the hills. Just take this one chart. So this is the euro pound 4 hour. It's going up. It's going up. Oh my goodness! It starts going down. Oh my goodness! It starts going up. Oh my goodness! It's back down. So when people are are happy and they're willing to take risk on, they start selling the euro because fundamentally the euro is weak. As soon as risk aversion comes into play, people start buying the euro, treating it as a safe haven. One of the big drivers of this has been oil price. So here's the oil on the 4 hour. Again, whatever this is doing affects the markets a lot at the moment. Again, this is all over the place. The other safe haven is the Japanese yen. So if we look at the US dollar, Japanese yen on the 4 hour, periods it's going down, periods it's going up. When people are scared, like they were last week, in fact, let's put it on a daily. Last week, people were very scared, and the yen was rising compared with the dollar. Last couple of days, Friday and Monday yesterday, we're back to risk on, so it's starting to rise. And gold's reflecting that as well. Last couple of days, we're back to risk on. Oh, gold's started to drop. Up to that point, it was rising. So, whatever, in my trading plan, I need to factor this in. This week, I have a position in Euro US dollar. So that's where I sold. Again, I want to be short the euro because fundamentally the euro is not very strong. So I've sold there, and I've my stops at my entry point as well. So it's a risk-free trade now, and we're there. My current target is there. But again, we could go one piece of news, one catalyst straight away could put us back into a risk off environment straight away, and suddenly bang, I'll be stopped out. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping an eye on whether we're in a risk on or risk off environment. If we go to risk off, I'm going to probably close this position straight away. How do I do that? Keep an eye on the headlines. So what's happening on Bloomberg, CNBC? This is one of the reasons why we're on back to risk on environment at the moment, because there's rumours that Russia is going to have a meeting with OPEC, which could be positive for the oil price. Um, what else do? I keep an eye on oil price, keep an eye on gold, also keep an eye on the stock market. If we look at the S&P 500, for instance, when we're back to risk on, the stock market start going up as well. So I shall continue to do that. Okay. And also, obviously, keep an eye on the yen and the euro. If the yen starts rising or the euro starts rising again, that's a massive indicator. We're back to risk off.